If you need to request a refund from Yahoo Mail due to an unwanted payment, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Access your Yahoo Mail account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the payment you want to dispute. Step 2. Navigate to Yahoo Help. Once logged in, go to the Yahoo Help page. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom of the Yahoo Mail homepage and clicking on Help, or by searching for Yahoo Help in your browser. Step 3. Find the billing section. In the Yahoo Help Center, look for the billing or subscription section. This area contains information about payments, refunds, and account management. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation from Yahoo. They will inform you about the status of your refund request and any further actions you may need to take. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from Yahoo Mail. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo customer support for additional assistance.